Good morning, Tricia.
Good morning, Doc.
You are 4 days since we did major nasal and sinus surgery. We did a revision septorhinoplasty. You'd had 2 previous rhinoplasties in the past. We did sinus surgery, turbinate surgery. We took cartilage from your right ear, and we repaired 2 split earlobes. How are you doing?
I'm doing good, Doc.
What were your problems as far as you were concerned?
My nose was collapsing in the middle. My nostrils were very large. Sometimes had a hard time breathing. Just the appearance was my main concern. I just didn't like the way my nose looked.
Now, with this 5.5-hour surgery that you had, the appearance on the outside, you don't have too much bruising, which is great. You're feeling reasonably well?
Yes.
You're happy you did this?
Yes, very.
And in a couple of days, we'll take out the inside splint and the outside splint.
Yes.